Hey everyone, Adam here with Magic Memories Box. And this video is going to take a look at the Magic Memories Cloud. It's going to go over the features of the cloud and show you how to use it. So let's say you've gone onto the Magic Memories Box website that you're seeing here, and you've gone ahead and bought a Magic Memories Box, and you have your box has arrived, you've packed it with your stuff, and you have sent that box back using the return shipping label, and now you want to view all of your content. So how do you actually see your stuff after you've sent it to us? Well, the answer to that is you use the Magic Memories Cloud. There's a few different ways you can get to the cloud, but on the website, right up here, you'll see there's a link for the cloud, and you just simply click on the cloud login option, and that will take you to this screen where you can log into the Magic Memories Cloud. If you've already registered at the Magic Memories Box store for buying a Magic Memories Box, this is a different registration. That's so if you buy a Magic Memories Box for someone as a gift, you might have your store registration, but they would register separately for the cloud to have their own cloud account to log in and view their material. If you've already registered at the Magic Memories Box store for buying a Magic Memories Box, this is a different registration. That's so if you buy a Magic Memories Box for someone as a gift, you might have your store registration, but they would register separately for the cloud to have their own cloud account to log in and view their material. So if you haven't signed up for the Magic Memories Cloud yet, you need to go ahead and set up a cloud account. And you can see there's a link to do that right down here. So I'm going to click on that link, and it has some information I need to fill out to sign up for a cloud account. So I'm going to do that now. The email address I entered here is support@santiammedia.com. That is the same email address you would use if you needed help with your Magic Memories Box. Just send off an email to support@santiammedia and someone will help you out right away. For my desired username, I need something a bit longer than my name, Adam. So I'm going to type in Adam Magic Memories for my username, and it supports secure passwords, so your password, it needs to be long enough and have some other things to make sure they're complex enough. You need to accept the terms of service and the privacy policy, and once everything looks good, the information box here will go away. So I'm going to go ahead and register for a new account, and it's now saying I need to confirm my email address. So off the screen here, I'm going to go ahead and log in to my email. You should receive an email with your verification code. So I'm going to type in my code here. And verify my email address. So I've now successfully registered for a Magic Memories Cloud account, and I can go ahead and log in. So I'm going to log in using the information I used to register with. And if I did forget my username or password, I would be able to click this button and recover that using my email address. So when I first log in, this is what I see. It says no Magic Memories boxes have been added to my account. And that's not surprising. I just registered this account, so I haven't added anything to it yet. So I am going to go ahead and add a box. Now, when you buy your Magic Memories box, you'll get an instruction form. And at the top of that, it'll say important information in big bold letters. And it will give you a box code and it will give you a box pin. And to add your box to your cloud account, you will need both of those things. So I have my box code here. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And I'm blurring this out for you right now on the screen because anyone who has your box code and your box pin could add that box to their own Magic Memories account, and they would be able to do things like change your box name and icon. So I don't want you guys logging into my account and changing stuff up on me. So that's why I'm blurring this information out. So after I've entered these two things, I can click on next, and it wants me to give this box a name. Now this was mainly pictures and videos I had from the 1990s. So I'm going to call it Adam's 1990s. Oh, that's a little too long. So I'm just going to call it 1990s box. And click on next. And it wants me to select an icon to represent this box. So I'm going to scroll through here. And I'm going to choose this camcorder. It looks very 1990s. And a lot of these videos came from a VHS camcorder, not unlike this one. So I'm going to go ahead and select this camera and click on Add Box, and it says Success. Magic Memories box added successfully to your account. That's great. That's just what I wanted. So now I click on this, and it says Magic Memories box, only instead of saying the message that I have no boxes on my account, I can see there's a big icon here with the title and the icon I selected. So if I go ahead and click on this, it's going to go ahead and show all the items that I sent away in that box. And I can see the first two items here. The icon shows a still camera while everything else is a videotape. And this matches what I sent away. The first two items in this box were photographs, were sets of photographs. And the other items were all videos. So the icon is already showing that. Also right here, there's a link to change the icon or the title of this box. So if I click on this, I can go ahead and change to this, 1990s VCR, and maybe I'll call the box mostly 90s and update the box info. And I can see it's now changed. I now have my very 1990s looking VCR, and the name of it is mostly 90s. So if I click on one of my items here, there it is. These are the pictures that I sent away to have digitized. And that's me when I was a lot younger than I am now on a Christmas morning. So right away, I can go ahead and click to download the photo, or I could order a photo print. If I want to order a print, I can select what size of print and add it to my shopping cart here. And that's it. I can continue shopping or just browsing here, taking a look at my other items, and seeing what all I got here. You can go ahead and click through to see what's here. And this video is my old high school video yearbook, which is a project I did in high school video productions class. So let's say I want to name this something besides item number 4. So I can see I'm here in my boxes, mostly 90s box and item number 4. But this is my high school video yearbook. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this just the way I changed the name and icon for the box. And I'm going to call this high school video yearbook. Oh, that's a little bit too long. High school vid yearbook. And I'm going to, appropriate for this, select a VHS tape. So I update that and it changes. If I go back to my box, I can see that's changed here too. This has some photos of me when I first started working in television. But it also has some really nice family photos and stuff. So I'm going to change this one. And I'm going to say TV and family. So I have some idea of what's there, instead of it just being called item number 1. And I'm going to select this photo album cover for it. And it updates there. And if I go back, I can see there it is. And so I could go ahead and go through and do this with the rest of the items here. Now, let's say that I want I want to order some more stuff. So I showed you how I could order a photo print. Let's say I want to order a DVD of my old high school video yearbook that I had captured. So make sure it's the right video again. Yep, this is it. And so I can see right here there's a button to buy the DVD. Of course, I could always download this video and save it and do what I want with it. But right now I just want to buy a DVD. So I'm going to click on that. And it'll take me here to my shopping cart. And I can see my photo print is here and my DVD is here. And then if I wanted to, I could just go ahead and check out, pay the total, and then during the checkout process it would ask for my shipping information and stuff again, and I could go ahead and get those things delivered to me. So that is a look at how the Magic Memories cloud works. I hope that you found this video helpful, and thank you for your interest in Magic Memories Box.